display replacement. Open the lock with a working key. Push the control compartment door for the handle. Turn off the automatic button on the power unit. Turn off the power cable at the back of the machine. Remove the stacker from the cash acceptor. Disconnect the cable from the display and screw the 4 nuts of the display. Remove the bracket with the display from the machine and screw the 4 screws securing the display to the bracket. Change the display. Fix the display to the bracket with 4 screws. Install the display with the bracket in the vending machine. Fasten the bracket with the display to the vending machine body with 4 nuts. Connect the cable to the display. Install the stacker on the cash acceptor. Connect the power cable at the back of the machine. Turn on the vending machine using the button. Push the control compartment door until it stops. We remove the handle inside and close the lock with a working key.